Hi guys, I welcome you back to this channel. This is Brain Tech YouTube channel. Before I take you on this tutorial on how to add resets Infinix Hot 4 Pro, otherwise known as X556 of the Infinix brand. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, Brain Tech YouTube channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you will stay updated each time we drop a new content on this YouTube channel. So this is the Infinix Hot 4 Pro, otherwise known as X556. The first thing you have to do is to power off the device. As you can see, I'm about to power off the device so I can show you how to hard reset it. As you can see, the device is completely off. So the first thing you have to do is to press and hold the volume up key and the power button together for a few seconds. Power up key and the power key for a few seconds. And when you do this, you release the power key when the Infinix logo shows up. Only release the power key when the Infinix logo shows up. Press it together for a few seconds. Release the power key when the Infinix logo shows up. As you can see, this is the first stage of the hard reset. This is no command after pressing the power key and the up key together. So the first thing you have to do is to remove this no command so it can take you to the final stage, which is the hard reset menu. How can we exit the no command menu? If you check this channel, there is a video we made on how to exit or how to remove no command on your phone. If you are resetting it, sometimes it do come up like that because of an error, a malware error. So you can check out the channel to uncover that video. But for now, since I really want you to proceed in how or to hard reset your device, let me show you on what to do. The first thing to do in order to remove no command on your Infinix phone is to press the power key for a few seconds and then you tap on the up key like this. Press the power key for a few seconds and then you press the up key. So sorry. The phone has just restarted. So sorry. Let us wait for it to come up so we can start all over. But I'm so sure it won't take much of your time in doing this. So give it some few seconds, some few minutes so we can restart all over. So sorry for taking your time. Give it some time to come up so we can start all over again. I'm so sure you won't regret watching this video because I'll try my very best to get it known or understood by you. So what we need to do at this time is to power off the device once again. So sorry for taking your time. Power it off once again. So we have to start all over again. Wait for the device to completely power off. So you start all over again by pressing the volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds until the Infinix logo comes up. You release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key to bring out the no command menu. So what we have to do at this juncture is to remove the no command. As I did explain earlier, you have to press the power key and then tap the up button to unveil the reset menu. Press the power key for a few seconds and then you tap the volume up key. As you can see, I've exited the no command menu. As I did told you earlier on what to do, press the power key for a few seconds and then you tap the up button to exit the no command menu. So as you can see, we are finally in the hard resets menu. So sorry for taking your time. So in order to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset, you have to use your down key. Your power key is the selection button to select on any menu in this page. So use your down key to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset. You can equally use your up button to navigate in between. Press your power button to enter wipe data stroke factory reset. As you can see, you have to use your down volume key to navigate to yes, delete all user data. So we are in delete all user data. The next thing you have to do is to press on the power key. When you press on the power key, automatically it will start the hard resetting process. But as you can see, this phone, there's nothing wrong with it. That is why I don't want to hard reset it. But when you take it to yes, delete all user data, when you press on the power key, automatically it will start to reset, and in few seconds the phone will completely reset the phone, remove all password, all pattern lock, and your phone will be back to normal. It will be like you just bought it today. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you stand a chance to stay updated each time we drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.